In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead in Salesforce. Let's start with a quick reminder of what a lead is. In Salesforce, a lead represents a potential customer or prospect, someone you haven't fully qualified yet. Capturing leads cleanly and consistently sets you up for accurate reporting and smooth follow-up later. First, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, make sure you're working in the right place by clicking Sales. This switches you into the sales workspace, where you'll find all the key objects you use every day, including leads, opportunities, and accounts. Next, click the Leads tab. This is the central hub for all your prospective contacts. If you organize your tabs, leads will typically be visible on the top navigation bar within the Sales app. Opening it gives you a list view of existing leads and a place to create new ones. Now click New to create a new lead. This opens a form where you'll input your prospect's information. Take a moment to enter the first name and last name. At minimum, last name is commonly required, so make sure it's accurate. Spelling and capitalization matter here because they affect search and reporting. Enter the company. Company is usually required for a lead, and it helps Salesforce keep prospects separate from existing customers. If the person is an individual without a company, follow your team's naming convention, such as using a placeholder like individual alongside their last name, if that's what your organization prefers. Add the phone and email. Include whichever is most likely to reach the prospect promptly. Clean formatting helps. Use a full phone number with country code if you work internationally, and double-check the email spelling to avoid bounce backs. Choose a lead source. This field is optional but very useful. It tells you how the lead came in, perhaps a referral, a web form, or a marketing campaign. Filling this in improves attribution and helps your team understand which channels are working best. Set the status. Common statuses include new, contacted, and qualified. Use new when you're logging a prospect for the first time. Switch to contacted after you've reached out, and use qualified once you've confirmed they're a good fit for the next stage in your process. Accurate statuses keep your pipeline current and help your team prioritize. When everything looks good, click Save. You'll land on the Leads record page, where you can review the details you entered and see the system-generated lead ID. That's it. Your lead is now in Salesforce and ready for follow-up according to your team's process.